Okay fellas, hello and welcome back to my videos. And we have the Makita double charger. I will try to turn it on. Okay, now lights. And okay, now light for it. Of course, we need to open it. We just got the screws out, all 6 screws. Lifting it. Now we need to check why we don't have any of the live from it, from both sides. And of course I will check the cord on the continuity mode. This one is good. Okay, so I have tested the cord here. As you can see, the blue and the brown is going here, and just touching the one with the pin and another one. Okay, so it's good. Now we need to check the fuse here. The fuse is good. It's a USB port here missing. Okay, it's not on discharge. Okay, so we have the fuse again here, and I will test it for continuity. Okay, the fuse is good. The second fuse is good. So now I want to check the current on this 2 wires. We have them here. You can see, I will try to zoom it. Okay, you can see the L and N. The charger now is turned on, and I'm measuring the voltage here, and it's nothing here. I will the multimeter here. We can check here. Yeah, we have 222. You can see it, and that means we have something here. So nothing. Okay, now I want to plug it in again. And okay, now we have the AC here, have it here, don't have it here, have it here, and change the hands. It goes all the way here. It goes. See, something bad is here. Okay, so it goes here, and I think it must go here. Okay, then I have nothing here. Okay. Here, okay, the fuse is really Good. Then I have it here, and my cords going out, so I suspect that this one goes from here to here, and then it must go somewhere here, but I don't have nothing, so I will unplug it for now. And what we have here, we have nothing, so I will measure the continuity of this trace, and I have the continuity, but I don't have the voltage. Let's check it like that. And I have the 0 here, 0.2, and for example, for okay, this one, this is shorter one, 0.22, so I don't have the normal voltage here, so I can try to jump it with the wire and check what. Okay, as you can see, just made a jump wire, maybe not very good looking for something, but it will be good here. So plugging the charger in, and what we have here, we have the blinking lights, and I will just zoom it out. One battery and the second battery, so that both batteries are charging now. And yep, this one is the red and almost full, yeah, it can be, and for the other one, yeah, it's just charging. Okay, so as we can see that it was a trace fault here, and now it's working back again, so we need to assemble it back and test it again, I think. Yeah, the green one, this charger, this one was full, so I believe that this is charged, and this one, yep, it's only 3 from the 4, so it's still charging. Okay, we can charge the battery later. Now we need to turn off the charger and assemble it back. And okay, just cleaned it with compressed air because it was a lot of dust in the fans. And now I can close it. Check if it still works. Just swap at the batteries. This one was charged, this one was not charged. Yeah, you can see that this one is showing the red and green, it means it's almost full. And now I will try to change the melodies. Yeah, you can change the melodies, that's good. This one is still charging, but I think the charger is good. So for now, thank you for watching, and if you are not subscribed, just subscribe to my videos, press the like button, and of course you are free to ask your questions in the comments. For now, bye.